First, we're going to cook our spaghetti pasta, and don't forget to put some oil before you put your pasta into your pan. Also make sure to sprinkle some salt into your pasta while it's cooking. Set aside your cooked pasta and heat your saucepan. Put a bit of oil. Now let's saute the onions, and then we can add the garlic after. Now we can add our ground beef. And also add a bit of water. And beef cube to enhance the taste. Now let's add some sliced hot dogs. Now let's add our spaghetti sauce. Add some salt and pepper to taste and simmer until cooked. Add some Parmesan cheese and serve.